Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's learn some colors. These are all the color pencils. Let's learn the names. Like pink color, red color, yellow color, orange color, violet color, green color, blue color, green color, brown color, pink color, and sky blue color. Let's draw the alphabet numbers. Like pink color, 1. First of all, 1, number 1. O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. Light green color, 1 after 2. Which number kids? 2. T-W-O, 2. T-W-O, 2. Sky blue color, 2 after 3. Which number kids? 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 2 after which number kids? 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Pink color, 3 after 4. Which number kids? 4. F-O, you are 4. F-O, you are 4. 3 after which number kids? 4. F-O, you are 4. Blue color, 5. 4 after 5. Which number kids? 5. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Brown color, 5 after 6. Which number kids? 6. S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. Green color, 7. Which number kids? 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Violet color, 7 after 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Number 8. Orange color, 8 after 9. Which number kids? 9. N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Yellow color, 9 after 10. Which number kids? 10. T-E-N, 10. 9 after 10. Which number kids? 10. T-E-N, 10. Red color, 10 after 11. Which number kids? 11. Which number kids? 11. Red color, 11. Light pink color, 11 after 12. Which number kids? 12. 12. Which number kids? 12. 12. Sky blue color, 12 after 13. Which number kids? 13. Which number kids? 13. Light green color, 14. 13 after 14. Which number kids? 14. 14. Pink color, 14 after 15. Which number kids? 15. 15. Okay, let's learn the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, Bye kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids.